Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you, you don't know the things that people not bless upon themselves, but we have to just get straight into it, you know what I mean? Yes.
Drake, free up world.
Boss, obviously, all day. Adi Medadi, free up world boss.
Well, I don't think he will be calling him daddy no more. But I'm pretty sure he will be still saying free world boss. Yes, and I'm pretty sure most of y'all heard already that Vybz Kartel calls out Drake and defends Alkalne out of all people. Yes, people. Streets is saying Vybz Kartel might be getting soft, you see me I said, but the streets is also saying that Vybz Kartel always have some problem with his musical children. You see me, it came out the other day by another court us, that Vybz Kartel allegedly the 3 hits, upon some dancehall artists and some other people. And, some vloggers said it was Popcaan because that information was privy before, And but now I lie to you. I don't know. I'm just the streets. But anyway, people, this is what Vybz Kartel had to say. And then we'll give you our take on the situation at hand. So, yesterday he took to his IG page and said, Jamaica, stop worry on a foreign mind. And who sings that song, put in the comment section. And start supporting local music more. And don't tell me no crap about production quality, because a lot of them foreign songs there are poorly produced and sound like ish, quality wise. No matter who first, from dancehall win, we all win. Stop playing with my genre, hashtag dancehall can't stall. Remember, we invent hip hop. And this is because Drake is the most played artist in Jamaica for 2021 Spotify, Alkalne Cartel 2 and 3. Doja Cat, Kiss Me, most played songs, you know what I mean? And Vybz Kartel had to say this also about the music that's being played on the Jamaica radio station. And then he says, but then again, Jamaican radio plays more foreign music than local. Only Irie FN Jamaica give it 100% local music. Everybody else give it 15 minutes out of every hour. So the other 45 minutes dedicated to hip hop, R&B, etc. Amazing island. And people, I keep on telling you, the music industry in Jamaica is run by the same people in America, and it's in their best interest to play American music, you know what I mean? Because Jamaican people cannot be controlled. That is why you see people like Spice and Shenseea lead toward the aquarium community, and people who is light on them, get a blind like Ding Dong and all of these people. But this is what such and such had to say also. And I'm in big disagreement with this statement, the way how they position us Jamaican people. So it says, fam, while I agree with you that local radio, and this is E. Chrome speaking, parties and DJs can incorporate more local music. Let's face the fact of who consumes Spotify. It's fairly new to Jamaica, and the core dancehall fans, I would say, don't have access to familiar with it. That's a lie. Well, in a sense. Any visitor will be recognized as Jamaican stream as well. I honestly don't think this is fair representation of Jamaican consumption. Jamaicans are more familiar with YouTube as their main streaming source. Yes, because YouTube, well, has always been around forever. And Jamaicans don't have money to pay for cable TV. You know what I mean? It's more easier to watch YouTube than for get extra bills in a sense, you know what I mean? Because cable TV is a luxury. You see me what I'm saying? People don't have time for that. You know what I'm saying? Them not have no money for pay for them certain luxuries. It's either we pay for this little bit of data and we watch a little bit of YouTube, That's why YouTube is so big in Jamaica. And if Jamaicans was making more money, trust me, they would have been more supportive to buy music and all of these things. But the way all the system set up in Jamaica, they only can buy from the Chinese man. But when I gave you that information there, Vybz Kartel is not defending Alkalne, he's defending dancehall music, you see me? Yeah. Well, people, it looked like the honeymoon is over. Yes. Round of applause. No, literally, round of applause, people. You see me, I said? I just got wind that Beenie Man will be back in Jamaica by December 25th. Yes. He's going to have to face all those toxic relationships that Camille once mentioned in her caption before she changed it. You know what I'm saying? Beenie Man has a whole lot of other families around the world, and his home is Jamaica. You see me, I say? And he has newborns in Jamaica, that would like to see their daddy for Christmas. I know it was rumored that Beenie Man had his visa seized in UK or whatever the case is. But like I said, people, these are just rumors that are being talked about on the social media streets. You know what I mean? If when they never want to mix up in a people business or no one in there, I listen to people business on the upon the Star, not even the Star, on the upon the Gleaner, the Observer, one of them news media outlets, but on the up here, so on my page, I want to know the people business and I'm giving y'all the tea. You see my says so, people. If Beenie Man is not back in Jamaica by December 25th, and these are his words too, you know what I mean? This is not from other people, So by Beenie Man's word, he said he would be back in Jamaica by the 25th of this month. And the 25th is Christmas. You see me, I say? It's a big deal, He has a lot of children, you know what I mean? And this is not even all of them, you see me? These are just the youngest one, them. Because, these ravers are big girl that, you know what I mean? But, boy, people, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't think any of Beanie's baby mothers have anything good to say about him. People, put in the comment section. Have you ever heard any of Beenie Man's baby mother say anything good about him? I never heard none of his baby mother say he's a good father, I never heard any of his baby mother say, he's a good financial supporter, etc., etc. I only heard bad things from his baby mothers, and honestly, that's not a good look, people. You know what I mean? We see the relationship him up with Disha and things. She probably the most hurt one out of all, We see Carlene and the angel them come out and chat. Well, them need help with, baby assistance and all of these things, The only one that hasn't spoken yet is Crystal, and he has the youngest daughter with Crystal, but then we hear say next girl have baby too, you know what I'm saying? Or is about to drop another baby, so I don't know, people. It's not a good look on Beenie Man, cause enough man out there have enough pitney, different baby mothers, and them do them best. If them not in a them life 24/7, them do them best to make sure that them youth comfortable, and me not lie, look when some of Beenie Man kids them look hurt. Not hurt in like but hurt in a sense like, damn, this is supposed to be Beenie Man's kids. Beenie Man's supposed to be a mega millionaire. These kids should be looking like the kids in Hollywood. You see me, I said, because Beenie Man music made that type of money. But like I said, people, Beenie Man don't own his publishing, and that is a big thing when you're a musician, because how else you supposed to eat? You know what I mean? That's why the lady serves out millions of dollars. You see me, I said, so Beenie Man having all these kids and can't afford them, you see me? And I don't know if he's having these kids with like any intelligent working women, that don't need. Because I don't know if he married any banker or any CEO, but when you don't own your publishing, man, it's a hell of a thing, These artists think that they're like drug dealers, making fast money like drug dealers, but at the end of the day, these drug dealers are businessmen, and you're nothing but a musician, so you're never having priorities straight, you see it, but as I give them update, Beenie Man said he'll be in Jamaica by Christmas, so that's in a few weeks, people, so it look like the honeymoon over, but just I give them update there with Vybz Kartel and Drake and them situation there, and before I forget, Popcorn says, I only compete with myself or my past self, you know. Basically, you compete with yourself, Popcorn. You see me saying? Him say we set the trend while they chase the trending. I don't know if he's talking about vendetta them. You see me? I say, 'cause you know, Alkalne not pay attention to them. You see me? But anyway, Shenseea say, yo, not play with Shenseea. Shenseea is the most played female Jamaican artist on Spotify. So I don't know if she was trying to throw shots at Vybz Kartel and all of these things and things. But just I give them update your people on the Saturday. You see me? I say, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bless.